Multipharma is a pharmacy chain, one of the biggest chains in Belgium. We are the biggest player on the market. We have about 8% market share on the pharmacy market. A couple of years ago we decided to go to a private cloud. The next move, instead of having a private cloud, will be going to the public cloud.
In the Benelux, we are the first partner that helped customers like Multipharma and Arvesta to migrate their SAP workloads into Google Cloud Platform.
We're currently transforming our backend system from an old SAP to SAP HANA. The prices are more interesting, they have better monitoring capabilities with things like Stackdriver, they have good contacts with SAP, so that's why we finally ended up with Google.
So as a Google Cloud Premier partner, we are both authorized and certified to provide those solutions to our customers. For starters, what we noticed is that there are a few unique technologies that Google is offering when it comes to SAP.
We basically benchmarked all three companies, Amazon, Azure, and finally also with Google. We were convinced that in terms of flexibility, for example in virtual machine sizes, Google is superior over the two other solutions.
The main thing obviously for most customers, stability and uptime is absolutely crucial.
Flexibility, so that's something that we're experimenting with now.
The other advantage is scalability. You start small, grow the systems as your business grows, but why pay for 3 years worth of infrastructure when you only need to pay for what you're using today?
A very passionate team, so irrespective of the type of projects they're working for, they're always there for the customers 24/7.
We are very happy with the collaboration so far.
When we look at the three compartments, GCP, Chrome and G Suite, I think if you were to look at sort of their achievements in the past, the customers, the experience is there.
We have that expertise in-house and we bring that expertise to our customers and we actually help them along the way and to get to Google Cloud.
Because we were convinced that we didn't have the capabilities within our company and we didn't have the people to do it, so that's why we decided upfront to outsource this activity to a company like Fourcast.
They can tap into the innovation once they move their SAP workloads into Google Cloud.
This is really the beginning of our cloud journey.
We are very thrilled to see this going forward.